A gracious good evening to all you traders out there in Traderland. This is Dez here at Grok Trade. It is Wednesday, August 17th, 2011. This morning we had the PPI, Producer Price Index, come out. It was the biggest one-month surge since January. Inflation knocking at the door. Here we are. We're looking at the Dow. Slightly in the green, the S&P about the same, but a drop here in the NASDAQ, down 0.5%. The Russell's down 0.1%. So you have the NASDAQ and Russell's leading the charge to the downside. You have the bank showing some significant gain today. So those that normally show a leading, such as NASDAQ and Russell's leading indicators, is being fought with the financials showing a lot of strength. We did have another drop here in the VIX, down 3.9%. We are just above 30. Gold up a smidgen. Same goes for silver. US dollar down 0.24%. Even with that being down, the NASDAQ and Russell still ended up in negative territory. And crude oil up 0.5%. And transportation actually in negative territory, taking away any bullish movement we're seeing there in the Dow. So, we had this big symmetric triangle. Triangle broke down below all major moving averages. We had an increase, a significant increase in volume on this descent, and then a spike of volume down here at this low. Could be signaling capitulation, meaning that this low might be being put in and we may not reach that again. Because that capitulation is pretty dangerous to be looking to go bearish right now, even though technically speaking, this is called a bear pullback, and this bear pullback is actually a juicy looking one. If I bring this across, we're hanging up, I'd say about the 40% Fibonacci area, just above the 38.2 Fibonacci, but not quite at the 50 Fibonacci. And so this market could drop. And if it does, be looking for a big red candlestick to come into play here, because after all, we do have a shooting star reversal pattern. This is after the day we had a tweezer top reversal pattern, but no follow through yet. We have a higher high, higher low, but we have the MACD centered oscillator heading up to the zero line, almost like it's getting ready to cross over and head southbound. If we do get a crossover, that will be a nice drop taking place. The question is, where will that low be? Will we find support back here? Chances are really good we're going to find a lot of support. This is 1120 mark. However, if we bust that, wow and whoa to the markets for sure. So the thing that I'm watching for tomorrow is this. If you are long, you don't want to be looking to hold those for too much longer, because we ran up on diminishing volume, taking away the probabilities that this will keep climbing northbound. So with the markets and the uncertainty that's out there in the markets, this could blow up in our face. We have the CPI coming up tomorrow pre-market, and that could certainly be a catalyst to the downside. However, if we continue to base sideways, that would be a bullish formation. That would be called a high base formation. We'd be looking for a breakout if that were to happen. So let's be watching these markets very closely. And if you're a beginner to trader and all this is new to you, just go through the one-on-one courses. There's 5 courses. They are free to you, and it will take you over 4 hours to go through them. So go through them all, take great notes, and learn to be a fantastic trader. Until next time, gang, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning will be the pre-market trading video, and I will be taking a sabbatical, and that sabbatical will be about, let's see, 5, 6, 7, about 7 trading days, and that will be starting this Friday. So talk to you later. Safe trading.